Now we're going to talk about the hardest sounds of all, the stop sounds. With these, you don't want to stretch them at all. You want to make them as short and crisp as possible. And the important thing is not to add a schwa or an sound to the end. So for example, this sound is b, not buh. Okay? If we're teaching kids buh, they're not going to be able to blend their sounds later. So let's go through the stop sounds without schwas. B, k, d, g, h, oh, I'm holding too far. J, k, p, t, x. Now, a lot of people can't hear themselves making schwa sound. They'll think they're saying p, but they're saying p. So it really helps to videotape yourself saying the sounds or ask a friend who also teaches intervention to listen to you making the sounds and see if you're adding schwas to your letters.